On the night of Saturday, November 10th, Columbians gathered at the Missouri Theater for the Sounds of Japan concert, hosted by the University of Missouri's Asian Affairs Center and the Choral Arts Association of Missouri. Before the concert began, volunteers gave demonstrations of traditional Japanese calligraphy, showed off ancient-looking instruments, and taught guests how to make origami.
So I think the workshops were just really designed to help people understand better of like Japanese culture. So, for the origami, we wanted to give people something that's really symbolic of like Japanese culture, so that they could take it home with them and remember what they've learned from this night.
After the interactive portion of the evening was over, a night of music began. The Osua Taiko Drumming Ensemble from St. Louis, Missouri captivates the audience. While it is fun to watch, MU choral director and a conductor for Sounds of Japan, Dr. Emily Andrews, believes the music has a greater purpose.
So this whole conception of the concert was stemmed from music. I mean, so the idea of using music to inform individuals about other cultures. So here we're in the middle of Missouri, but we can bring a little Japan to mid-Missouri. I think is really exciting.
Reporting from Columbia, Hannah France, J2150.